Hey guys, welcome to Trending 2 Friends. My name is Biswa. In this video, I'll be showing you a product from IKEA which is uh, Bronden. So, Bronden is basically a low pile rug, and this is a handmade rug. So, low pile is something which is basically shorter carpet fibers and tighter loops. So, this is a low maintenance rug which you can definitely use it in the along with the couch, or can also be used in the living room, or with your children's room as well, in your children's room as well. So dimension is 170 into 240. It's a handmade multicolor, and it's also available in different colors. The price is 15,590 when the length is 240, width 170, which I already mentioned. It will cover a 43 square feet of area, and measurement is the packaging measurement. Do not need to wash it. You can definitely use a vacuum cleaner, and you see the quality of the rug, which is really good. And the one demerit will be, you can see, I mean, this, if you try to pluck it, then things will come out of it, right? So and it's a low pile one, so you can expect a higher durability in these rugs. And the purchase link will be available in the description section. You can definitely go and look at the product in IKEA. These are the one of, I mean, this video is one of the other videos. Like, I already reviewed few of the rugs in IKEA. This is one of them, and this is a low maintenance rug. Okay, you can definitely rely on it. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and purchase link will be in the description section. Do like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.